Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those that don't know, I'm Gurleen from Glambygilly, and in today's video I will show you guys how to get this nice Hollywood-esque kind of style wavy hairdo that complements my outfit today. My outfit is from a Jazz Couture, so if you guys want to see how I curl my hair, how I got this look, just keep on watching. But first, I'm just going to comb out my hair. I do have curly hair naturally, semi-curly, wavy. I've dyed it so many times that it's like not there naturally anymore, but I'm just combing it out and I'm going to apply a heat protector. So since we are doing more of like open waves type of look, we will be pinning up the curl. So if you're new to hair, I will try going as slow as possible and showing my steps, but it's kind of hard when you're filming alone, but I will try my very best for you guys. So I applied the Lang Hair Heat Protectant. It's a heat shield, the Revival one. It's great. I applied throughout my hair. You don't want more damage. After I'm done my hair, I always apply coconut oil at the bottoms because I am very dry. I have dyed my hair a couple of times. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do, I am not going to apply extensions, guys, so I will do this to my natural hair. I do have semi-thick hair, I would say, so I'm just gonna pin up half my head and leave, I'll pin up 3/4 of my head and leave a quarter at the bottom, and I'm just using these clips to hold up the rest of my hair. When you are doing Hollywood waves or curls that you want to brush out, I would recommend pinning them up. So once you curl a strand, you're going to pin it up and let it cool and then pull it down. I don't really like using too much hairspray just because I hate the feeling of hairspray. Kind of like, I just don't like it, and I hate washing my hair so often. I'll use a little today just to show you guys. So what I would do, so I have a very brushable hold hairspray. I got this from Sally Beauty, and I'm just going to lightly, very lightly, spray it onto my hair. That's it. I'll be using these clips that I also purchased from Sally Beauty. If you're at home right now and you can't, I don't know if Sally Beauty is even open, you can just purchase these from Amazon. They have so many different kinds. Send me a DM on Instagram at Glambygilly and I can actually find you the ones that I like off of Amazon, and then I can send it to you guys as well. I will be using the Bombay Hair Curler. I think this is the 25mm barrel, and I have it up high at 450 degrees. If your hair is very damaged, I would recommend going a little lower than that. So I will be taking about 2-inch sections, and you want to curl your entire head the same direction. So I am going to keep my part this way. So I'll be curling away from my face, and the trick is I bring the hair around and then twist. I bring the hair around and twist. Bring the hair around and twist, and then I leave it there. So you pull out the curl. Okay, that was my mom closing the door. So you pull out the curl, and the trick is to just pin it up. So you want it to like cool down in the curl. I'm just gonna pin it to my head, and there you go. So we're gonna do the same thing to the entire bottom section. So I'll do the next one with you guys as well. And guys, trust me, it's harder on yourself than doing it on someone else. So if you want to practice, I'd practice this on like a sibling, but I don't have a sister, so same thing. I'm going to take the curler, take the strand, and I'm going to curl and twist. Curl and twist, curl and twist, curl and twist, and then I'm just going to leave it on maybe for like 20 seconds, not even, and then we're gonna pin it up. Another thing I just want to note is, let's say I was doing Hollywood waves on someone else, I would be teasing up and then curling just to give more volume, but guys, I have nowhere to go and we're stuck at home and I don't really want to pull out all that tease, so I'm not gonna do all that. I'm just doing it on a simpler note. Okay, so I just wanted to show you. So on this side of my head, I'm curling the same direction. So I was curling the hair this way with the wave. So even this side, the wave should be this way. So towards me, it was away from me on that side. I am doing the same thing. The thing is with like waves, Hollywood waves, you want it in the same direction, so when you comb it out, it's not as messy, still looks clean. So I am just leaving the hair. So I am taking thicker pieces, but you can take thinner pieces, it'll be a little easier. After the curl is done, I just roll it back and I take the clip and I just clip it into my hair. Just like that. And then you take the next section. Okay guys, what I'm going to do is finish off my crown at the back, and we can do the fronts together afterwards, and I'll be right back because I don't really think you guys really want to see me doing the same thing over and over again, so I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I went ahead, finished curling my entire head, as you guys can see here. Everything's curled except for the front. Okay, so if I was attending an event, I would have curled my front pieces before doing the back, just so I would have more volume. But it's okay guys, we're all stuck at home, so it's fine. I'm just going to take the front, using the end of my comb, taking about a 2-inch section, same thing. So the thing is, with the front, I do want some volume. So I did spray a little bit, and then I'm just going to back comb. So 3 times going downwards. I'll take it from the front too, because I will be doing a side part, so this will get covered. And then I like smoothing out the tease, and I will be curling my hair the same way that I was doing the other sections. And you're just gonna pin it up, so same thing as before. If you do have a heat protectant glove, I would recommend wearing that, but used to the heat now. I do end up burning myself sometimes, but it's okay. So I just take my clip and I just clip it into my head, and then the curl will cool down. So I'm going to do that all the way down. I do have a lot of baby hairs guys, so I avoid curling those, so same thing. I'm just going to tease. If you have puff meat powder or any teasing powder, I would recommend using that for the volume. Okay, once we get onto this side, you're going to do the same thing as the other side, but curling the hair the same direction. I'm going to take about a 2-inch section. So this section, you want it to be the cleanest, because this is what I'm going to pull over. So I'm just going to fix this a little. There you go. So I'm going to back comb. I'm going to back comb this side even more, but this is what's going to create our curl. And when I do back comb, I like cleaning it up because we did spray it, so it will be nice and clean. And then same thing, I'm gonna curl. Okay guys, I've curled my entire head. I'm going to give it a quick spray. And now the trick is we're going to open and just brush out the curls, okay? Okay, so every section, I'm going to open it up. If you have someone to help you, it is easier. There's 2 things you can do. I can open, pull out, and then you're just going to comb it up and it'll create the wave, but I honestly just want to brush them out and then run my fingers through. I do have like a big comb. I got this from Sally Beauty as well. Same thing. I'm just going to brush out. Go all around my head, take out the pins, and just keep brushing out. After this is done, I'll be right back. Okay guys, I pulled out majority of the curls. I'm just going to brush them out. I did miss a couple actually. It's hard, guys. Doing like hairdos and like recording is so hard in my opinion. That's like what I struggle with. Okay, so I got majority of it out. It's nice, flirty. And do you see how like I combed out and the curls have still stayed? They're nice and big. That's what I like. That's what I want at the end. You want to just keep curling and playing and forming it all together. And then let's do the front of it. So for the front, same thing, but I'm going to use my tail comb and comb out, and then I'm going to push back and tease up a little just so it's a little more volumized. So same thing. As I pull out the curl, I'm going to back comb it because I do want the little S wave. And then I'll just tease a little upwards. And I do always brush my hands through the curl and the hair just to smooth it out because I feel like that's what makes the hair look good. Same thing here. I'm gonna pull the hair and just back comb it a little. You're back combing the curl as well. I didn't even tease the top of my head just because I didn't want excessive volume. And I just want the S wave at the front. And any tease for the framing pieces, you want to make sure it's nice and clean and smooth. Same thing, I'm going to pull this out. I do have a lot of baby hair, guys, so doing a hairstyle like this, I have to be really careful. Use spray for the front where those pieces just stick up. And let's say I wanted more volume, I'm just going to stick up a pin, hairspray, until I'm happy with it. Just pinning, give some dimension. Just so I have some dimension, I'm going to spray, set this all in place. And on this side, I do actually want to put in some cute little accessories. So I'm just going to comb this back. I'm going to spray. And using a boar bristle comb, I'm just going to make sure it's nice and clean and pulled back. Just like that. And now we can add the accessories. But before we add the fancy clips, you want to cross pin the hair back. So I have bobby pins here. Would you want to cross pin? That will ensure nothing moves. So I pin one, and then I make a cross with it. So I pin the other from the bottom up. And let's get the accessories. Okay guys, I have these beautiful pins that I got from Amazon. I'll actually post a link for them in my bio, in my caption. So I am just going to start basically layering them. I love the look of having pins in my hair and with my hair curled. So one by one, I'm just gonna add. And I am applying the pins from the back just because I feel like it doesn't frame my face well when it's from the front because it's like thicker. You want to see the clip from the front. There you go. So could leave it at this, but I think I'm a little extra. I'm gonna add one more. And the reason why I cross pinned first was I could just put these in place and I don't have to worry about the hair moving. And now we'll just take out these, and I think we are good to go. So I can just push these to the front. We have the S wave that we want. And there you go. I'm happy with it. I feel like it looks great. Very pretty, very flirty. This is the whole head. I can still touch my hair. It's not like uncomfortable or any of that, which I love. You guys know that I love comfort. Another tip I just want to give, so I do have like a cowlick or like a bald spot right here, and I hate it, especially like when I have like my hair done, and like if you are balding a little, you have some thinning pieces like in your hair, like thinning areas. If you use the Topic hair fibers, guys, it's amazing. So this is a black color, and I am just going to spray the cowlick just to cover it. And there you go. It's all covered. You can't see it anymore, and I feel like it's great. I'm going to change into my outfit. It is from Ajaz Couture, and I'll show you guys the final glam. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. This is the final look. This is my outfit by Ajaz Couture. I'll have the full outfit on my Instagram. It's so hard to show it here. So make sure you guys check that out. I feel like it goes so well with the makeup, and I love how my hair turned out. So thank you guys for struggling with me. I did struggle a little doing this, but thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope it was helpful for whoever needed some tips curling their hair, getting like a loose, like Hollywood style type of look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want to see more videos like this, please let me know what you want to see. Actually, that's what I want from you guys. Let me know what you guys want to see next, and I'll shoot that for you guys. Hopefully everyone is staying healthy and staying safe. If you guys did enjoy this look, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!